Hello friends, in this section we will learn how to draw flowcharts. First of all, what is a flow? Flow means from where to where something is going. A flowchart is nothing but a graphical representation of algorithm. You have already seen what is an algorithm and how to write that algorithm in previous section. Here we are drawing a diagram for that algorithm. Diagrammatical representation is easily understandable than text written in sentences. Let's see what are the uses of these flowcharts. First one is documentation. These flowcharts will use in documentation. A documentation contains complete details about a project or program. And next is to analyze or define a process. These flowcharts will use to analyze or define a process like what steps must be there and how it flows. Since it is easily understandable, it can be used as communication or training aid also. Why? Because I told you previously, an algorithm is written in English-like sentences. You know that a sentence can be written in many ways without changing its meaning. So, an algorithm written by one person cannot be understandable to another person. But in flowcharts, certain set of symbols are there with which whole process can be designed. The meaning and representation is unique for those symbols. And the next one is, these flowcharts are used to examine the performance of a process, like how it is working, how the program is working, etc. Let's see some standard symbols which are used in flowcharts. It is a oval shape. It is used as a terminal. That means starting or stopping the process or program, or beginning or ending the program. And the next shape is parallelogram. This parallelogram is used to take inputs from the keyboard and print the output to the screen. And the next is rectangular shape. This rectangular shape is used for processing. Processing means some work will be done here. And the next shape is diamond shape. This is used for decision making. That means if condition is true, we will choose one path. If not, we choose another path to solve the problem. And the next one is circle shape. This is used as a connector to connect different parts of a flowchart. You know that in companies the projects are very large in code. It is not possible to draw flowcharts for that projects in one paper. So we will divide this in small parts and draw in another pages, and to know the connectivity we use these connectors. The next shape is broken line box. This is a broken line box. It is used for annotation. It means we write some notes for future reference. And the next one is arrow shape. This arrow is used to show the flow and joins two symbols like these symbols. It joins two symbols. And the next one is double-sided rectangle. It is used for denoting predefined process like functions, etc. Let's see an example flowchart now. We have already written algorithm for addition of two numbers in previous section. Now I am drawing a flowchart for that algorithm. I will explain you step by step how to draw flowchart for that algorithm. We first begin the program. We first written this sentence, and for this what shape we must use? It is the beginning of the program. To begin a program in flowcharts we use oval shape. Here I have taken the oval shape and written in that begin. And what is the next step in algorithm? We read two numbers A and B. To reading or writing we use parallelogram shape. Here I am taking a parallelogram shape and I have written in this read A and B. Now to show the flow from begin to read A and B, I am using a arrow mark. And the next, what is the step we have written? Calculate sum of A and B. It is a process. Some work is going on here. And after that, the next step is storing the result. Here also some process is going on. We are calculating the addition and we are storing that result in C. So here some process is going on. We must use a rectangular box. For this step I have written a plus b, and for this step I am storing a plus b into C. Here for assigning a plus b to C in flowcharts we will use this back arrow, and to show the flow I am using a arrow mark. And what is the next step in algorithm? Print the value of C. I have already told you to printing or taking inputs we will use this parallelogram shape. In this I have written print C. This C I am printing here, and to show the flow I have taken arrow mark. Then what is the next step here? Ending the program. To end the program we will use a oval shape like this. I have taken oval shape and written in this as end. And to show the flow, draw an arrow. This is the flow chart for the algorithm of addition of two numbers. Practice this more times, then you will get a clear idea how to write algorithms and how to draw flowcharts for this.